Hello everybody, this is Chilmil. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to choose the perfect moisturizer for humid or warm weather like summers or in rainy seasons in India. We face a lot of sweat, and the issue of oily skin also arises more during this time. So how to choose the perfect kind of moisturizer? Now, a lot of us think that since we have oily skin, we don't require any moisturizer, but that's a very wrong idea, because no matter what our skin type is, we need a moisturizer. Our skin needs nourishment, and a moisturizer gives nourishment, but we have to be careful to pick the proper kind of moisturizer that are suitable for this type of climate. So we will stick to oil-free moisturizers for summers and rainy season or monsoons. So I'm going to show you few moisturizers from Mamaearth. The latest launch are oil-free moisturizers, and those are very suitable for this sort of weather where you tend to sweat a lot, or you tend to your skin tend to become very oily. For this kind of seasons, they have come up with oil-free moisturizers, and the latest launch is the Mamaearth Vitamin C Oil-Free Face Moisturizer. This is the one. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and it has vitamin C and gotukula. Gotukula is a herb, and this moisturizer has that. This is good for skin illumination. So whenever you apply it, if you have dull skin, so during monsoons we get this a lot. Our skin looks very dull, sweaty, very oily. So this moisturizer, when applied, gives you an illuminating effect on the skin. This moisturizer costs rupees 299, and it comes in a package of 80 grams. This is how the tube looks like. It's all white packaging, and all the ingredients are mentioned over here. Even the directions for use, everything is mentioned. So it says that it can be applied during night and day, alone or under makeup. This is the new launch. Another launch they have right now is also the Mamaearth Tea Tree Oil-Free Moisturizer. This is the one. This is specially curated for those who have a problem of acne and pimples. So this is to combat acne and pimple problems. I don't have this problem, so I will use the vitamin C moisturizer, because dullness is my main concern whenever it comes to skincare, and generally I don't have issues of pimples. So I'll skip this moisturizer, but this is also a moisturizer that they have under the oil-free moisturizer, the newly launched oil-free moisturizers. And often I get questions regarding what to be used for acne prone skin, whether I should skip moisturizer. No, you should not skip moisturizer. Instead, you can use this sort of moisturizer that are specially designed for acne prone skin. So this moisturizer has tea tree and salicylic acid. Both these products, tea tree essential oil and salicylic acid, both are very good to combat acne and pimple. So this moisturizer is made of these two products, and I'm sure it's going to work amazing on acne and pimple prone skin. This moisturizer can also be worn alone or under makeup, and twice a day, like in the morning as well as in the night. This is about both the moisturizers that Mamaearth has newly launched, the oil-free moisturizer range. And I'm going to show you the application and the before and after effect of the application of the vitamin C moisturizer vitamin C oil-free moisturizer from Mamaearth, and you're going to see the difference, like how much difference does it make in just one
Mamaearth Vitamin C
application.
Oil-Free Moisturizer is formulated with vitamin C and Gotukola. It illuminates the skin on application. The texture is non-sticky and lightweight. It gets absorbed into the skin quickly and leaves the skin feeling fresh and radiant. It has the goodness of vitamin C, Gotukola, and vitamin E. The antioxidants in vitamin C fades dark spots, enhances the skin's radiance, fights sun's damage while smoothing and firming skin. Gotukola deeply hydrates skin, promotes collagen production, and prevents skin from sagging by restoring skin elasticity. It prevents skin dullness, keeps skin soft, plump, and glowing. Vitamin E moisturizes, heals, and strengthens the skin's barrier function. Turmeric extract helps in providing glow and luster to the skin and also has anti-aging properties. Mamaearth Vitamin C Oil-Free Moisturizer is dermatologically tested and does not have harmful chemicals and is free of toxins, parabens, and mineral oils. The moisturizer is suitable for all skin. Mamaearth is a plastic positive Indian brand and their products are free from harmful chemicals and are all natural. Every time you buy from Mamaearth, they will link your order on the website to a tree they plant. The exact geolocation, picture, and the species of the tree will be sent to you. Mamaearth products are available on www.mamaearth.in, Amazon, Nykaa, and Purple. You can use my code JILMIL2021 to avail a flat 20% off on www.mamaearth.in. Mamaearth has launched their official app. Users get early access to sales and get extra discounts. Once I apply the Mamaearth Vitamin C Oil-Free Moisturizer, it instantly brightens up my skin in one application. You can see the visible difference. Isn't that amazing?
So this is all about the newly launched Mamaearth oil-free vitamin C moisturizer, which is used for illuminating or brightening purpose. And don't forget that you can use my code JILMIL2021 and get flat 20% discount on Mamaearth website. Everything will be given in the description box, where you can find this product and other Mamaearth products, and their products are really good. This moisturizer specifically, you have seen how instantly it brightens up the skin, so it's a beautiful, wonderful buy for people who want an oil-free moisturizer for normal to even dry skin type. My skin is dry and it perfectly suits me because of the vitamin C in it. And yes, that's all about the vitamin C moisturizer, oil-free moisturizer from Mamaearth. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.